Chisukuru ao ikira chigenderete guchingira amachibu ya matemu gusa amachibu amaya ya matemu iyo mwaka wita ikirasi kerige komina kabere nigo bono aborokiwa na bwiga babwatani be chisukuru ao korwa ase bunge ya Kitutu Chacha North ya kaunti ya Kisii bono banyari guchengira amachibu amaya ase chinsemecho na boigo korwa skuru ya Nyaguta mixed eyo gotoka meanyari bari chache county eyo ya Kisii naro nigo bagenderete guchengira aboroki wabo banyara gukora bya kegima ase amatemo yo muri kito Daniel Ontiri no robot rwasinchira engikeno kema
omogoko bubuyoboiga nigo gendererwa achiskuru ao ase bunge ya Kitutu Chacha North me county ya Kisii asaba iboli weskuru ya secondary ya Gituri me asensi bagokera machibu ya borokiwa gwetania emiemo na merongene na batana babire abanyorete chigrade chogoswa university bateba ngwetera somukia no gwetoma
goto bata bana 256 and breakdown yes science twanyorete minus charing give P plus charing 15 B plain charing 36 B minus charing 48 C plus charing 46 C plain charing 56 C minus charing 49 D plus charing even na to coordinate toka makanyora direct entry wale chete university direct wale 147.
We are proud of Gituri Secondary School and I believe that it is by the power of God that this has happened.
Ana baito bakorire bia aso mwana ona bwate C+ igongo getekerengo kire igoro mono igo abarimu amona abanafunzi egasi mwatokoreire rengia gwetera so mu principal ito bono moche momente mini kubwatekana muno mwarimu atebe tani aliende no 9 point something
asense mwende amachibu amaya nigachingirwa ase skuru ya secondary ya bomura ya Itibo yego toka ase ward ya Manyerero bunanonye na ase milindo yo gukora matemo manene no mwarimu muya no kuburwa murai okimoika ose chaplain asigeka abamura baiga bada bange babo bagakorye buya chinga kechicho elia ya baiseke ya Itibo tetigiri magega aiga ababo emerongene nigo boigo barachikogendereria amasomo abo ase university ao aiga Kenya na korengana no mwarimu munene obubisi bwabo no kwegena na konyora ekire kiabo.
A lot of prayers were done in this school so that the results 2025 are done with a lot of integrity, which we have inculcated in the 5 or so years that I've been here. So, as a principal of the school, we have been talking of it can be done without any malpractices. It has been proved to many of the stakeholders that without cheating, we can still pass. Now, this one is reflected if you look at the table, or rather the performance table. We have been having gradual improvement from the year 2020 when I came in up to now. So anybody can attest that we are working towards improvement.
Taria yoka obya no mogoko nigo boigo bya sara ase skurega ye secondary ya Nyaguta yego toka ase ward ya Kyogoro imeye bunge ya Nyaribari Chache ase county ya Kisii siyo boteneri umosubati Janet Nyanyuki skurega nigo yarigetie umubaro munene ase muganobo asabarukiwa 32 boigo bakorete bya.
This is the first time twanyora abana abange mano bago join university. Up to this time, utobwata abana 35 ba koende university out of abana utobwata 145. So tuli na mogoko manene mono asa matokea yamaya. Omwaka ulio eta utobwata abanafunzi balenge very hard working bali gokoromuki sana abalimu baito bakerwa bakabashughulikia bakabatwaire chigiredi chichingia.
Nkurubaterega taseni kya tembe kurega ase county ya Kisii letere nenguru kwa Daniel Ontiri.